I just wanted to do a quick video on these blinds that we have. Somebody was asking about them. They're just regular blinds we got at Home Depot's or Lowe's, I don't remember. The surrounds were already here. They used to be wood grain. I guess somebody made them at one point. I've seen these on other coaches, so I don't think it's that too uncommon. It's just, you know, some wood. This piece of wood here is curved to fit, and the blinds just stay inside there. And on the top, there's the hooks. There's like 3 clips. It's like 3 clips that the blinds hold on to. And these are Levolor, okay, brand. And to pull them down, and these are cut to fit. So we measured this, whatever this was. It was a little bit, actually these were a little bit too long, and you just cut them. You put them together, and you just cut the blinds to whatever size I needed, and put them in there. But to pull them down, you just pull it down. It gets stuck. I didn't cut them short enough. It hits these brackets here, but it's not that big of a deal. And you just pull it down, and I can show you it's easier on the smaller ones to go up. Same deal. You just press this button, and you just lift it up, and you let go of the button, and it's supposed to stay up. The button's still probably pressed in, but we think it's going to stay up. Let's try this one here. So you just pull it down. This one's not cut. See, this is hitting. And button. Hit those dumb brackets. But I think they're going to stay up. I mean, if we hit a bunch of blimps, if I'm going off-roading, they might fall down. But it takes a little bit of attention to pull them down. So let's see, you just pull it down. And it goes down. And the button. And it stays up there. So we had those day-night shades in here, and they were all old and cruddy. So we got this. So all you do is pull it down. It's easier to pull it down with 2 hands, but anyway, I say it's hard to. You need 2 hands on the big ones, but usually we just keep them closed. Keep the RV a little bit cooler, as cool as we can. And this one hits. This one was the first one we did, so I probably really need to take it off. It's hitting these dumb brackets. I probably need to take it off again and cut it a little bit shorter. But they work pretty good. We like them. I mean, it really makes it dark in here. So, all right. Thanks for watching.